Go.
Hi, me again. So just a reminder, we bought this 112 acres. It had a cabin on it. It had a tractor. We got a Polaris, and we got this RV, which I have shown you before we started tearing it apart. Okay, so they told us though the only thing that they knew was wrong. There was maybe some. It was an old RV, but they had a little bit of flooding over in this corner. Well, after looking at things and realizing there was some rot, we started taking this vinyl off, and we've got a lot of rot right over here in this corner. Well, then what caused this? I thought, well, okay, was it the window? But then we got rot all the way over here. And this wood is, you can just see this. But we think it may go underneath the kitchen cabinets. Ultimately, I was going to remove this. I'm going to remove this and do something different. But now we're going to have to remove the kitchen cabinets to see how much damage is here to the subfloor. From what I can tell, the boards are not damaged here. It looks, so I'm thinking it probably rained in through the window. Somebody left a window open, and it's been left open several times. I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind tomorrow. But we also have it underneath this window. Now we had this futon looking couch from the 2000 when it was first originally built, and it was a devil trying to get it out. And then there was these two tables on the end that we took out every screw we can. We found out it was glued to the wall, and then there was also screws from the exterior into the interior cabinets. So this job is turning into a much bigger project for my first project, and we'll see what happens in the end. But it's going to be fun. It's a free RV. We got to do it.